Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to transfer your Google Drive data to another Google Drive to your another account. In this video we'll learn this guys. So you can try this method on your PC, laptop, desktop or in your phones also. Just you need to open your Google account and go to your Google Drive. And here you can get your all file save on your Google Drive, as you can see guys. Now if you want to transfer this file to your another account, another Google Drive, just select your file, click on three dots. Here you can get the option share, just select it and once again click on share. Okay, now it will open the new pop-up window on your screen. As you can see guys, here you need to enter your new Google account, another Google account email address like this, and before sending this guys you need to select editor option from here. If you want to type any message you can type here and click on send. That's it. So this is the easy and very simple method to transfer your Google Drive files to your another file. So you can get lots of option methods to share your file to your another Google account. I have shown you very simple and very easy method. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.